Remember we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control on the driver's seat.
Happy birthday to myself. Hi, hello guys. Today we are going to do an unboxing box as a present. This is a present for me from my hubby. It was my birthday last December 3. Last Tuesday. So because of the hectic schedule of him, and then he didn't have time to go for my present, then he gave me his card, so for to go shopping. And then I asked to him, I wanted something that one. So before I asked to him, I went first to the shop which one I'm gonna ask for him as a present for me for my birthday. So he gave me his card, and then but I know already which one I want. So yesterday it was my time because I have only a half the work. So I went there for go shopping. But the rest I have to come back now because I don't have enough time to look around, because I don't like it all the clothes. I don't like all this model. So maybe in 2 weeks I'm gonna go back so I can look more, because my first priority is for my present, of course, because it was for my birthday. So this is the one first I'm gonna take it. So I asked to the sales lady to wrap it, because it's a nice presentation, you know. If I came home, of course it's the present for my husband, so I'm gonna show it to him. Here is it, your present. And then at least it's wrapped. It's not with a like a box only that there's nothing covered. So I just let it, so it's more nice to let it show, you know. So one moment. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna open it now. Ta-da! Oh, it's very tight, the paper to put it. So the first thing that I saw with this one, it's already my crush. So that is the directly that I said, okay, that is it. That is the one I wanted. So this is the one. This is the one. Did you see it, guys? It's the reflection of the light. So wait, I could not anymore. That's one. So okay. So I'm gonna now I'm gonna take it out first, my watch. So it's not so big. It's just like just normal. Actually, I want it more bigger, but I don't see it. So maybe next time, next year. So So bye bye guys. So that is my unboxing box. So just a simple one. Advance Merry Christmas. Bye bye. See you next time for my next video. Dadah!